Yo, what up, y'all? It's your boy General 315, man, back again. Another sneaker review video for y'all, man. And today we got the Jordan 13 Court Purple prototype, I think. I'm gonna say it's the Court Purple prototype because we don't know what the actual Court Purple 13 is going to look like when it releases. This is an early shoe. This is a UA shoe. So just to let y'all know, it's an educational video. I'm just showing y'all what we're going to get, or what I think we're gonna get with the Court Purple joints when they come out. I got these from my boy Trader Joe's. He sent me an early pair, and I don't think it's correct. I don't think it's gonna have an all leather upper, but these are fire though. These are fire, and I saw this one and I was like, I gotta get that one. So anyway, I don't even know when the Court Purple is dropping, this year or next year. I'm not sure. I have no clue, but I got this one to show y'all because it's a black and purple shoe, so why not? You know what I'm saying? And it's a 13, so whatever. If y'all want to go on StockX and go grab these when they come out, by all means, go ahead. I will put the prices on the screen if they're available for me to screenshot and show you. I think this is going to be a general release. There's probably going to be a bunch of pairs out there, and it's going to sell out just like every other shoe from Jordan that sells out, at least a retro. And you know, it's gonna be hard to get, so you probably have to get a resale. You know what I'm saying? It just is what it is these days. So before I get started and breaking down the shoe, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Follow me on IG and follow me over on that TikTok. All right, so let's jump into the shoe. I will not spend too much time on it. I do have a picture from Sneaker News, I believe, and I will put that on the screen. I think this shoe is supposed to look like the Hyper Royal pair that came out maybe a year or so ago. Just like kind of like the Breads with the reflective upper with the 3M. It's gonna look just like the Breads, except it's gonna be purple instead of red or blue. You know what I'm saying? So let's just jump into the shoe real quick. All black upper, very nice leather, and the leather was what drew me into the shoe because y'all know I love me some tumbled leather. And this one has tumbled leather all over the shoe. You know what I'm saying? And what really surprised me about this shoe was the suede. The suede is actually nice, but we'll get to that. So all black upper, black toe box, and it's got that pedal tumble to it, which I really, really like. And it's very nice, very soft. It's a sturdy shoe. It does fit true to size. So you got the black, you got your purple or your Court Purple, and then you have the black pods. Got that green, which I really like in that purple. That looks dope. Outsole, I like that green down there. Got the white pods, pretty nice. Got your carbon fiber hits right there. Rear of the shoe looks good. Everything's kind of lined up. With 13s, when you get a UA and you get 13s, usually this is not correct. Somehow it's too high or it's too low, or this is not close enough together, but this looks pretty good. It looks like it was done well. Medial side of the shoe looks just like the lateral side of the shoe, and you guys can see that there, as well as this shoe right here. So very nice. Toe box looks good. It's nice and curved, and it's not too bulky. The only thing about 13s that I don't like is they crease hard. They really crease hard. So if you don't put like some type of, what is that, a shoe guard in there when you walk or whatever, which is probably uncomfortable to wear in the shoe when you walk in it, it's gonna pretty much crease all in this region right here. It's gonna have some weird flat lines and all of that. But I like wearing 13s, you know what I'm saying? I really like the 13 lows more so than I like the highs, but it's not really like I have a preference. I don't wear a lot of 13s, but I do like wearing them when I do have them. So about this shoe, like I said, I think that this portion here of the upper is supposed to be that reflective material. It just is what it is. You know what I'm saying? It just is what it is. We got our Jordan here, and then we have our 13 on the back right there, which looks nice. And like I said, the highlight for me, I didn't know the suede was this long-haired suede. This is long-haired suede, y'all. This is long. This is not short-haired suede. This is a long-haired suede, and it really reminds me of the suede that we used to get back in the day. Back in the day, that suede was so dope. And I'll show you that it's long-haired suede. You can see the hairs when you move the suede. That is good suede. You cannot, like, a lot of shoes don't even have this type of suede on it anymore. It just doesn't. It has a very short hair suede and you get minimal movement. But this one, crazy. I was like really surprised that it had long hair suede. And it doesn't seem like it has transition, y'all. But when I brush it with this brush, you can actually see the suede going down. You see that? It's going in a downward motion. If I go over like this, you can see it going to that side. Y'all see that? Y'all see those fibers going that way? Like, this is a long-haired suede, y'all. They don't even do this no more on shoes. Look at that. Look at all of that transition right there. That is really, really good suede, and that's the suede we used to have back in the day. We used to have that suede. This suede was on the Jordan 14s. This was good suede. I don't know what type of stuff they're doing now, but this right here, you got to be careful. Like, a lot of people don't know how to treat this type of suede. You really got to be careful with this type of suede, because if it gets wet, you really have to agitate it with like a brush to lift it, and sometimes you really can't lift it. Once it's wet, it's like donezo. So just make sure y'all careful. If y'all get this shoe when it comes out, if it has this suede on it, be really, really careful. Jumpman on the tongue right there, standard shoe tree, and white Jumpman in the inside. And then you have size and tag. So very nice shoe. I just wanted to show this one to y'all. You never know when you get these shoes, you know what I'm saying? Whether it be UAs or whatever, especially UAs though, you never know what you're gonna get. They be having some crazy materials on these shoes, and you're like, dang, they don't even do that with the retail joints. So it's like a jack in the box. It's something's gonna, you know, when the first time when you wind it up and it pops out of the box, like, you don't know what it's gonna be, you know what I'm saying? And that may have sounded weird when I said it, but that's the only thing I can think of. So anyway, great shoe. I like it. You know I'm a rock it. If I had to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving it an 8.5. I know it might not be what's coming out, but this one is still dope, and I'm still gonna wear it because I don't care. Materials used off the suede alone is a 10, because they don't even put that type of suede on shoes no more. So construction materials, I'm giving it a 10. Whatever, who cares, right? Who cares? It's just my opinion. Y'all have y'all own opinions and I have mine. I think it's a 10, so whatever. So I hope this review was informative for y'all. I hope this helps you make a decision. I hope everybody goes for the retail when it drops. I know I will. Hopefully I can get it, and if I don't, I'm good. You guys make your own decisions. You know, I would never tell you how to spend your own money. You spend it how you want to. That's my motto. You know what I'm saying? Just wear your shoes no matter where you get them from. That's my main thing. Wear them. Let's jump into that on foot. You guys stay humble. You guys stay blessed. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy General 315. I'm here. I'm at the park currently. Got the kiddos over there playing on the playground over there. I came here just to bring them. It's like the last few nice days before it starts getting cold, and it's gonna get cold. Doing the outside on foots isn't gonna be what it used to be, but we still gonna be doing our on foots. But anyway, besides that, we got these court purples on deck, and these are super clean. I gotta admit, these are dope, even though they're really probably gonna look like this, but it's okay. It's okay. We still got a really, really nice shoe. This shoe is super clean. I'm glad I got these joints. If y'all want this version, just go to Joe and y'all pick these ones up. But in the meantime, and in between time, we got these. Leather is very nice. Nothing to complain about. Let's go see if we can get an on foot real quick, and then we'll move on to the next video, all right? Clean. All right, so back to regularly scheduled programming. One thing I wanted to touch on was mental health. Now, granted, everybody has issues. Everybody deals with their issues in different ways. However, COVID and the pandemic itself has really put a damper on a lot of people socially, which really affects people
very much so mentally, and people don't realize it, but physically as well. It's important to talk to people. As humans, we are social beings. Mental health is very important. If you guys feel like maybe things aren't normal, it's because it's not. Everybody's kind of going through the motions, and they're not really understanding the severity of this lack of socialization that we have in our community. Socialization is a big thing, and it's a big part of our healthy mental health. So I would encourage anybody who's feeling like they might be slipping or feeling like they just off. Talk to people. Go out there. Get out there. Socialize. And if you do need clinical help, it's okay to go see somebody. Just get out there. Make sure y'all stay healthy. Healthy mind, healthy body, and keep pushing. I'll see you on the next one.